Hi students, I just want to go over a couple brief directions regarding our class Padlet for of mice and men. So if I can draw your attention over to the very left hand side of the screen, and you'll see this yellow box, and it says, how do I write an appropriate response to an entry? I just want you to know that the purpose of having this Padlet is so that we can all hear and consider one another's perspectives, and that we can also respectfully disagree or agree with one another about various topics that we will discuss as we go through our novella by John Steinbeck of Mice and Men. I'm going to scroll down quickly here, and I just want to show you an appropriate way in which to submit a comment. So if you look here, you're going to see a little icon of me and my name. However, when you post, that won't be the case. It's going to say anonymous, and there won't be a name. So the first thing I want you to do when you're posting an entry is to put your full name, please. And I'd like you to do that for two reasons. First, anything you have to say, you should be able to put your name with it. Okay? We expect that we all treat each other with respect and kindness, so you need to have your name listed on this Padlet for any post that you make. And second, there may be times when these posts are graded, and I can't give you a score for a post if I don't know that you created the post. Alright? The second thing I would like you to do is assign a number, and we're just going to go in chronological order. Assign a number to your entry. So I have a number 1 listed here. There may be times when there's 10 to 20 comments per question, and we just want to keep them aligned by numbering them. And then lastly, I want you to use correct punctuation and grammar and capitalization. Remember that this is not the same as if you were texting a friend. This is an online platform for a classroom discussion, and we need to conduct ourselves in that manner. And that's about all I have for you. Thank you.